welcome back. This is the Midwest Picker with the girls again. They're 2 months older. The last time we did this was Memorial Day. We're on our way to Burley Park. Today is 4th of July. And we're going early this time because we want to beat the heat. It's supposed to be pretty warm today, about 87. It was a bumpy road. So we're really excited, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to try to shoot some video in the flea market again. Last time I didn't get a whole lot. Tamara got a lot more than I did. Because you have to be kind of stealth about it. You don't want to make people angry or weirded out. So one of these days I'll get a GoPro, little teeny size that you can mount to your chest. That seems to work really good. It has a fisheye lens and it's waterproof. So yeah. Anything you're looking for, Delaney?
Crochet stuff.
Crochet stuff.
That's the same thing I was looking at last time.
Yarn.
Books.
She likes to look for yarn and books. I'm going to be looking for stuff to flip. I've never been to this flea market this early before, so this ought to be interesting. It's either going to be a million people or not as many people. I don't know. Usually the crowds come pouring in around 10 a.m. Right now it's 7:55, so this is early for us. I'll definitely do an unboxing video in the flea market. Yeah.
Scrubbing bubbles.
Give myself a rifle.
$2. In Japan. Not bad. Put this ball jar. Excuse me, since you're not buying. Cool picture though. Guys playing poker. Or something. That's interesting.
Main room. Oh, wait, you make that's well, yeah. Like I said, it's got
Can't tell who the seller is. I can't tell who the seller is.
I think it's that lady over there.
Is it over here?
Yeah, that lady.
Tree stand. I'll do that. You want to bring her the money? Where's Delaney?
We need another Daphne.
Fingertip back. What the heck? Oh, it's music tomorrow.
Oh.
The binder has nothing to do with what's inside.
Buy a cart.
I don't know if you see any cassettes in there.
Shiny 20. That's what you choose. This Space Taylor. I know, bro.
CDs and cassettes $1 each. Do you see any cassettes?
Dad, they're over there.
I don't know. Wash the wagon.
Why do I know?
Doggy. Doggy.
Yep. Yeah. How much are your 30 and 6 rounds?
Mustn't say that.
Steal a horse. See if I can get it on video. I don't think so. Too far away. Horses. That's where the Amish park their horses at. I don't know if it can get it on video.
Are we gonna get lunch or are we gonna eat here?
No, we're leaving here about 11. Yeah.
It was Bill's paper. I never knew her.
Whole lot of crates. I like the Canada Dry one.
Did a whole song.
Yeah, you can play some music with it.
Yeah, I'm good. They're too small. They won't show.
Think so?
Yeah.
Necessarily from me. It could have been from their wheel. He's brown.
Some cool pelts.
Brown. Darker, and that's what I found. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. Once I sent them out. This one might be a.
Daddy, he's right there.
Where do you send this one?
Huh? Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yo. $10 on the suit.
I was just running away for a minute.
Ooh, Black Panther.
These are cute.
Yeah.
I remember those.
Butterworth bottle. Not nearly as busy as Memorial Day.
Yeah.
He has a plan. He's like experienced.
Big olive. We got a brick high.
Yeah, this is where we came in. I remember this table. Time to go home. We're tapping out. It's too hot. 88 degrees. 11 a.m. Time to go. Alright. That's our haul. Trying to find the car. Oop, don't lose the basket. You find it? There it is.
Turn on the alarm.
Yeah. Oh man. I know I parked in the shade. Oh. Maybe over there, Delaney. It's in the shade. Maybe, I think it's over there. You see it? I can't find my car. Alright, Delaney found the car. It's always good to find your car. Tomorrow was never worried. Ta-da! In the shade too, baby. You want to be the unhauler for me? Here we go. There we go. Basket. How much you pay for that?
Was 20.
Oh yeah, she talked him down. Books, $1 a piece. A liar. I called tomorrow a liar. Oh yeah, that's my cast iron Christmas tree stand. I'll be selling that probably October-ish. I'll put that on eBay. Got a good deal on that. Got some Amish cookies. Yeah. I'll edit that part out. Belt buckle. That was, strawberries, yeah. Put those on the floor so they don't get smashed. That's it. Then we're gonna pack up the wagon and we're heading home. Okay, it's the next day. This is the unboxing portion of the video. I did okay. I didn't get a lot of cool stuff. I got a few things. So I got this cast iron Christmas tree stand. So if you see one of these, that's what this is. And some people don't know. There was a woman standing next to me at the flea market. She didn't even know what this was. It's pretty vintage. I'm not sure when they stopped making these. This is like a basket weave pattern. The really old ones have like a floral pattern to the cast iron. So this is a little modern for vintage. So I haven't researched this. I have no idea how old it is. I'll probably list this on eBay starting in October. People do collect these. They can be very expensive. Paid 15 bucks for it. I'll probably list it for 50. I'll charge, I don't know, $15 flat rate shipping. It'll fit in a priority large box, and it is quite heavy, but it should sell with no problem. I don't know if I'm going to break even or make money. It's hard to say, but it's definitely not super old. The other item I got was this belt buckle. It's kind of like a revolver. It says 44 Magnum on the cartridges here. Paid 10 bucks for it. It's real heavy. It's still got the little rubber nub on the hook there. It does have some very minor scratches, so I'm still going to list it as used, even though the guy claimed it was new. Just used, but in very, very good condition. So I'll list it for 25 bucks. You know, maybe I'll get that, maybe not. But it's very unique. I've never seen one like it before. Maybe if you go to gun shows, you might see them. They're more common to you. But the other item was 4 Craftsman sockets. They're really huge. 1.25 inches, 1 1/8 inches, really large diameter. 2 of them are 1/2 inch drive, and 2 of them are 3/8 drive. The 3/8 drive I'll just keep for my own set. The 1/2 inch drive I'll sell and put up on eBay for probably 15 bucks for the two. They're really, really big, so they should have, I should have no problem selling those at all. So I am recovered. It was a long day. We were 3 hours at this flea market. That's how big it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. This is episode 15, Burley Park, 4th of July. Thanks for watching.